Hello everyone, I am Madhu Sharma and today we are going to study about quadrilateral and its types. Now, what are quadrilaterals? Quadrilateral is a closed figure having four straight sides. That means, for example, ABCD is a quadrilateral. Why it is a quadrilateral? Because it is close to one another and it has four sides. So, quadri means four. Quadri means four and lateral means sides. So, a four-sided closed figure is known as quadrilaterals. Now, quadrilateral has different types. For example, trapezium, kite, parallelogram, and under parallelogram there are again some special kinds of parallelogram that are rhombus, rectangle and square. Now let us study one by one. We will start with trapezium first. Now, what are trapezium? Trapezium is a quadrilateral. Why it is a quadrilateral? Because it has four sides, but there is a one difference, that is one pair will be parallel. So, we can say that trapezium, in case of a trapezium, one pair of its opposite sides will be parallel. Opposite sides will be parallel. And the other pair will be non-parallel. Other pair will be non-parallel. So, here in this case, we can say that AB is parallel to CD and AD is not parallel to BC. So, trapezium is a quadrilateral with one pair parallel. Now, again trapezium has isosceles trapezium in it, which says that one pair will be parallel and the other pair, that is non-parallel. Non-parallel sides will be equal. Is known as isosceles trapezium. So we can say that in case of a isosceles trapezium, one pair will be parallel and the other pair, that is non-parallel sides, will be equal. Again, after trapezium comes kite. So let us study about kite. Okay, now we all know the shape of a kite. Yes or no? This is the shape of a kite. It is a quadrilateral. Why it is a quadrilateral? Because it has four sides which are close to one another. Here in this case, its adjacent side will be equal. The pair of its adjacent sides will be equal. For example, in this case, ABCD is a kite where AB is equal to AD and BC is equal to CD. So, kite is a quadrilateral where its pair of adjacent sides are equal to each other. After kite comes parallelogram. So, let us see what is parallelogram. Again, parallelogram is a quadrilateral. Why it is a quadrilateral? Because it is close to each other and it has four sides. In case of a parallelogram, as the name suggests, that its opposite sides will be parallel. For example, ABCD is a parallelogram where AB is parallel to CD and BC is parallel to AD. Opposite sides are parallel. Again, opposite angles will be equal. opposite angles are going to be equal. That means we can say that your angle A will be equal to angle C and angle B will be equal to angle D. So first property is opposite sides are parallel, opposite angles are equal. Again, the angles, that is adjacent angles. What are adjacent angles? What do you mean by adjacent? Adjacent means neighboring. Suppose if I take angle A, so what are adjacent angles of angle A? It can be angle B also, it can be angle D also. So adjacent angles of a parallelogram are always supplementary. Supplementary means 180 degree. When we add the adjacent angles, our sum comes to 180 degree. So adjacent angles of a parallelogram are supplementary. So opposite sides are parallel and equal of parallelogram. Opposite angles are equal and its adjacent angles are supplementary. These were the properties of parallelogram. Now after parallelogram, we will study some special kinds of parallelogram like rhombus, square and rectangle. We will